Hi, my name is Jay Madan and I'm your adult guru. Today we will talk about what is hygiene all about and how to give right education to kids and even to yourself about hygiene. See, hygiene is very important. If somebody is unhygienic, no matter if they are so beautiful, they are so good looking, we will never like to sit and have a cup of tea with them also. Because at the end of the day, we want somebody to be very neat and clean sitting beside us. There are certain things that you need to take care of, especially with teenagers. Once they attain puberty, they face certain problems related to hygiene, like facial hair, body odor, oily hair, oily scalp. In that case, you should tell them to take bath every day, no matter whatever it comes to. They should change their undergarments every day. They should use a deodorant, a perspirant, or maybe a perfume, whatever they feel comfortable with. Their underarms will have a different smell because they're going through a different body change. So you should tell them to wash their face and hair regularly. They should shampoo their hair either every day or maybe alternate day, because this will help them not to develop acne. So to take care of all these things, they need to be actually very sure about their hygiene. They should wash their hands regularly. Rather, you should cultivate the habit that whenever your kids are going to have meal, they should always wash their hands before. And trust me, kids are very smart. They will never follow your advice. They will follow you, your actions. So whatever routine you have in your life related to personal hygiene, your kids will exactly follow and become the way you are. So you need to change yourself from within and then guide your kids, because it is not an issue that they'll point your finger and say, "Dad, you don't do it, why you guide us to do it?" So you should change yourself and then your kids will automatically follow. There's certain habits like changing clothes during sleeping. Rather than that, when girls are going through menstruational period, they should also be very particular about their personal hygiene. They should wash their parts at least twice or thrice a day. They should change their sanitary napkins twice, at least once in the morning and once in the evening. This will make them go through all the process in a very natural way rather than developing infections and stuff. Rather than that, during that time, you should not use any perfume, any deodorant near or around your private part, just to avoid foul smell, because that is not at all safe for you. So you should be hygienic but not be very careless related to your sensitive parts. And in case of boys also, whenever they go to the washroom, they should immediately come out and wash their hands. I have noticed young boys, once they go to pee, they never come out and wash their hands. They feel it is okay. So you should tell your kids to always wash their hands even if they enter washroom, just like that also. The other point is that for the facial hair, you should tell your boys, the teenagers, the grown-ups, that they should trim their facial hair. And even for girls, to keep your body clean and hygienic is very important. It looks good also, and the other person also feels good about you. You feel more presentable, you feel more confident, and your eating habits are also very important while taking care of the personal hygiene, because the other person might dislike you for all the etiquettes that you're following, and they will never get back to you because they'll start developing this, that you're not a hygienic person to be with. So in case you have any other problems, any other queries related to it, you can mail to us and we'll get back with all the possible answers.